Thing on. Hello world, this is Hockey, walking across the country, and we are in Orbit, Tennessee. And I was walking down the road and saw a sign that said natural area right here. Beautiful waterfall. And it comes down into this small pool. And the creek that feeds us, I've been walking along for miles and miles, trying to figure out how to get down to it, and I couldn't. But then I got to it up at the top there. I can't even get the whole rock formation from there. It's like I'm in a giant little broken egg down here. So cool. Probably won't show up, but these rocks, it looks like they're just slabs of rock just stacked on each other. This waterfall is so cool. Very tempting to go stand under it. But then I'll be all wet and have to put down dirty clothes and I'll be all mad, so the heck with that. But that's what I got for you today. Orbit Falls in Orbit, Tennessee, right on US Highway 70 West. You never know what you'll find. Later.